Hi, my name is Christina Robinson, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Monday, January 14, 2008. The dollar declined against the euro and yen to start the week. The euro-dollar pair advanced 130 pips from the week's open to 1.4912, just shy of its record high of 1.4967 set on November 23rd. This jump comes on the heels of last Thursday's dovish statement from Bernanke and further speculation of aggressive action by the Fed to provide economic stimulus. A 50-point cut would put the U.S. interest rates below Eurozone's for the first time in 3 years. Currently, the benchmark rate in the States is 4.25% compared to 4% in the Eurozone. The dollar-yen pair fell 130 pips in the Asian and European sessions as investors unwound carry trades in the face of expected poor quarterly reports from companies such as J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, and Merrill Lynch. This extends a new trend of U.S. dollar weakness started last Thursday. U.S. equity markets fared well today with the Dow up 100 points thanks to good news from IBM. With the start of New York trading, the dollar managed to partially pair earlier losses to the yen. The pound-yen saw similar movements with the pair down 100 pips from the week's open. Inflation in Australia, as measured by the TD Securities Melbourne Institute, showed an increase of 0.6% for the month and a rise of 3.7% year-over-year. December's rate, which doubles November's figures, put pressure on the Reserve Bank of Australia to consider hiking interest rates further to curb inflationary pressure. The Australian-US dollar pair is trading at near an 8-week high following the latest Australian inflation data. Rate hike implications are building up as other areas of the Australian economy have been hot recently. Eurozone industrial production level declined 0.5% in November. This wiped out October's gains. UK input prices, which measure inflation faced by producers when purchasing goods and services, increased 1% on the month and 11.3% on the year. Output prices increased 0.5% on the month and 5% annually, reflecting rises in petroleum and food products. The fundamental docket heats up tomorrow as we get consumer prices from UK and economic sentiment from the Eurozone and Germany. In the U.S., we get reports on retail sales, producer prices, and manufacturing in the New York region. Later tomorrow, UK posts a report on retail prices. Japan will release data on orders for core machinery, prices of corporate goods, and current account data. Australia will report on consumer confidence. And that's it for today. I'm Christina Robinson. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com.